everyone. We are from Vision Gate and we are having Q&A session with our toppers. I am Nisha Rathod and we are having Sejal who got Air 1717. Congratulations Snehal, and now she will talk about her journey.
So I started my GATE journey in 2019. After my BTech, I did my job for 9 months and then I wanted to do GATE. So I live here and I came to Vision Gate. I didn't know actually Vision Gate was such a renowned institute, and I was searching for good institutes in Thane, and I ended up talking to Arushi, one of the past students of Sir, and she convinced me to join Vision Gate, and that was my luck. Thank God that I really joined Vision Gate. So I prepared for GATE 2020 and I secured AIR 422, but I didn't get any admission in the top colleges. I wanted admission in the top colleges only. So I started to thought of repeating. So I appeared for GATE 21 and I secured 17.
So as you told, you went for work. You were placed and you took the placement. So obviously the work environment will be something where people won't be interested in pursuing master's degree. So they all are the ones who will pull you down, won't support you for doing masters. So how did this occur to you, I want to go for masters?
I had decided earlier only that I wanted to do masters. So I didn't bother about whatever my colleagues said, and I did not pay any heed. I wanted to do masters and I decided.
Okay, so there was a gap between if someone is studying, we are in college, so we have this constant mood of studying. But then you went for job, so you had that gap, and then filling that gap, and again going into the mood of studying. Was it hard for you to again go in that phase?
Yes, initially it was hard. I could not study very much, and I actually wanted to prepare on myself, on my own, for GATE. But then my friends and my relatives also told me to join classes. So initially, yes, it was hard, but nothing is impossible in Vision Gate.
So we would like to hear this from Sir about you. So Sir, what are your views about Sejal as a first impression?
So what I'll say right now, I know each and everything about Sejal, right? So there is nothing right behind. So if I'm right, she has completed her graduation in 2018 from actually MIT, Pune, and she came to the Vision Gate. And once she came here for the inquiry, fortunately I was present, and she discussed with the operations people, and maybe they were forcing to take her admission quickly. So she said just she came for a crash course kind of a preparation and all those things in Vision Gate. And then meanwhile actually she discussed about this Vision Gate with Arushi. And Arushi is a very good influencer, and not only Sejal, she has influenced many people to join Vision Gate, and she has always told her own story. And this even successful person for GATE 2021, I can say there is a good number of students who were referred by the Arushi, or she has guided them to join Vision Gate. Rishabh is there, who and Sejal, all of them are guided by the Arushi. Once Sejal joined somewhere in the month of June, May-June time in 2019 to prepare for GATE 2020. As you know, multiple number of times I have already told, in Vision Gate we are closing the subjects in the month of June, July, August. So latest by July or first or second week of August, we will finish all the subjects at least for situation. So it means once he joined the class was already in the full motion, and it is very difficult to cope up with that situation. But fortunately, what I understand, Sejal did not struggle that much. And it is her inner strength also. It's not that she did not face difficulty and she understood everything. There were occasions when she was not able to understand the lecture something. So what she used to do, right? But she used to sit into the another room of the vision gate and used to do the self-study. What she never missed out actually, to come vision gate into the early morning and stay back here till late 9 p.m. either attend class or do some kind of a self-study. And we have played also game, right? She was sitting in another room, I was sitting in another room, and we used to do like this from right both the sides. So first year of her preparations, she was not performing well actually into the test series. She has given multiple number of a test series, but if I am right, her generic average score was actually somewhere 30 to 40. In the as her best performance actually, she achieved for GATE 2020 preparation somewhere close to the 50. I am not aware that whether she crossed at any point of time, right, marks more than 50. But you can learn from her and you can get her number and call her, right. She know that when she need to deliver the best possible, right, performance. In GATE 2020, she got rank 422. It's not that she didn't do some kind of mistakes. She did mistakes actually there. Otherwise, her rank would be better, right? Somewhere right between 100 to 200 ranks. So she tried, and with the rank 422, right, in the general class actually, right, without any EWS and all those things. So she was not able to get the right older IITs, right, or you can say the premium IITs. She got admission actually IIT Bhubaneswar and couple of other new IITs, and at that time actually pandemic has been already started. So we discussed over phone a couple of times, right, in night, right, even after 11 p.m. And then we have decided, right, so what we should do, whether we should repeat for one more year or we should join some institute. So finally we have decided on the multiple parameters, right. The last year situations was kind of unsure. So you may need to do the only online classes when classes are going to start, right. It was not clear across the IITs. So we say, right, whatever is GATE scorecard has one good thing, it is valid for 3 years. If from the same scorecard you can get the IIT, right, Bhubaneswar this year, then from the same GATE scorecard you can get the IIT Bhubaneswar into the next year also. I suggest, right, why? So you take a one more chance, whether your parents are ready. So she said that, right, her parents are completely supportive, and she took that particular decisions and prepared for GATE 2021. In between, she got a call for the MS program from the IIT Mumbai also. Whether you say the fortunately or unfortunately, she did not succeed, and now actually she got All India rank 17 of this 8-9 months of further preparation, right, from June till now. And wherever now he can take admission, right, he want to take admission, he can take admissions, right. And I don't know that she is a very good kind of a cook. She may not cook, right, all kind of food. But just 3-4 days back, she asked me, right, sir, what do you like, whether you like banana or coffee. So I thought, right, what is this kind of question, right? People used to ask, right, whether you will take tea or coffee, right? But no, whether you would like the banana or coffee, right? So I thought, right, banana is better, right, because it's sweet, right? So I said, okay, I like banana. And she has cooked something, I don't know name, right? She told you in multiple number of times, she will tell you again. But it was at most very tasty things which I have taken yesterday. Even from yesterday till today, we have celebrated the results. We have taken so many sweets, right? But nothing parallel to that one. And definitely I want, right, till she is in Mumbai, she prepare multiple number of times and bring for us, right? And of course, right, she is very close to me, right? they are actually very close proximity, right? It's not just only we are a teacher and a student, right? Sejal, Asutosh, Jaydeep, we are a very friendly communications and we can't feel bad, right? We used to pass comment, enjoy, right, and have it.
So when I got a chance to have that delicious thing you made, so Sejal, yeah, reveal the name of that recipe.
Banoffee pie.
Okay, yeah, that thing, and it was really delicious. So yeah, you are being so multitasking, knowing how to cook and all. So I wanna talk about this. Your parents being so supportive. Since you left your job, then you appeared for GATE twice, which is something your parents are really being supportive about. Not everyone will really appreciate someone putting so much in for a particular exam. So what will you like to say on this?
Well, I am very thankful to have parents like them, very supportive. In fact, when I used to study in at my home during the COVID situation, I was continuously like shushing mama, like mama, shh, shh, continuously. Like she's like, how will I talk if I don't talk? Like how will I survive if I don't talk? So yeah, but she used to stay quiet and she used to obey whatever I used to say. So yeah, very thankful.
So right now you are the most experienced person here out of all of us. So we will really like some tips you will share because you have appeared twice and both of the times you scored such a nice rank. I mean, it was within 500. So what are the tips you will give us?
My first tip would be if you are really interested in GATE, if you are really serious, then please join Vision Gate, online, offline, anyhow, please join Vision Gate. Like, it is the best, like you cannot ask for anything more. So, and whatever sir says, like follow it. What reference book, he says कि reference books say padho and all, whatever, everything. Just follow him religiously and you will be good to go. But if you are not able to join, then I suggest that मेहनत कभी ज़ाया नहीं जाती और just work hard, don't worry about the result. It will come to you either now or later in your life.
Okay, right now I observe here you have made really nice friends with your batch. So how was the environment here within people of your age group, within your friends?
It was really very good. I am really thankful that in Vision Gate, the peer pressure, the environment here that we create, that sir has created for us, it's really like, it brings out the best in you. Like, I had a break, I could not study initially, but my friends and all, they pushed me. Like, you see, like, he's studying, she's studying, he's studying, they're getting good marks, they're able to answer in the class, you are not. So you study, and even if you're depressed or like not feeling that should I continue or should I not continue, should I stop, should I look for job, did I make a bad decision, whatever thoughts used to come, like they were very, very momentary. Okay. Like the friends, even sir has helped very much. So
yeah, I would like to know more about these times when you used to think I will make a bad decision. So what you used to do at that particular moment?
Those times used to come a lot. There were many ups and downs, many ups and downs. Well, what I used to do was nothing. I mean, just चलते रहो. बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. Same thing. Even if you are depressed, even if you are not able to study someday, it happens. It is normal. But don't give up. Keep trying, keep trying. Someday you will succeed. मेहनत जाया नहीं जाती तो like it will help. Whatever you study today, it will help you. It will come someday. So yeah, peer pressure and sir.
So sir has known you from very long time. So we'd like to know about your qualities which sir think are really crucial for someone to score within 20s. So sir, what are these qualities in Sejal which makes sir different from other people?
Yes, the most and important things I have seen actually in GATE 2021 preparations. Actually, she has started from rank 400, right, 22, right? And other people, right, even those who has repeated, they have much worse rank than her. People are in 1000, 2000, 3000, 5, 10,000 rupees, rank, but none of them are actually 400 rank. Otherwise, other people are actually, they are a fresher. But what happened actually, when the test series is started, even there are occasions actually when Sejal marks were a kind of average marks. People actually got very good marks than her, right? In the very actually some June, July, August also, right? And if you ask honestly, right, once she has started performing much better way, then even right in the general test series, she used to get rank right 10 to 20, right? Hardly she got actually at any point of time the single digit rank, right? With the less number of right people, like 500, 100, 2000, right? At most 2000 actually students. So actually, if you are not able to get single digit rank in 100 people, 500 people or 200, right? Then how you can imagine that you can get the single digit or 2 digit rank, right, among 1 lakhs people? And of course, many times she may have been asked the same question with her also. But even if she didn't ask, I asked, right, yeah, how it will be the possible, right, if we are not getting right, but still, she was very cool and calm. She has her own way. Normally, I suggest my students to attempt as many problems as possible. People used to do, right? Jaydeep, Astos, they used to attempt out of 65 to 65, 64, 63 questions. But Sejal attempt in general, right? It is a kind of a 55 to 60, right? You can say the domain is 50 to 60. And what I identified, Sejal has a good understanding, intelligence, right? Means she can solve the new problems and all those things. Even she has repeated, honestly, right? Her coverage of domain was not that much good. There are some area which is actually simple or maybe average complex, but she was not aware about it. I think at the very later right time, maybe October, November, December, January, right, she has covered those things. Why I am saying this? Earlier, say she was getting right marks 40 to 50, then she has started getting 50 to 60. Even she didn't get the single digit rank, but she was getting 11 rank, 12 rank, 13 rank, right, very close to the single digit rank. And fortunately, actually in GATE also, she did just few mistakes, right, to be in single digit rank. And now she secured very good rank, right, All India rank 17, and wherever she want to take admission, she can take admissions. So good things actually, if you look at, right, when you are not able to perform, even you are working hard, it's not that she was not putting efforts, right? It's very easy to demotivate yourself, but very difficult to motivate yourself, right? Rebound yourself. And it is not happening just once, twice, it is happening multiple number of times. But she did not lose her courage, and that's why the final results is the best results. And anyone, whoever listening, right, this video, get her number and ask how to perform on the exam day, the best performance, because she did for the GATE 2020, when she used to get 30 marks in GATE, she got right approximately 60 marks. And whenever actually she used to get some 50s marks, and now she got the 70 plus marks, right? So how it will be possible that normally for everyone, right, if you have seen the interview, we have discussed that it is the worst day, but she is the only right exception for that. For her, exam day is the best day, right? It means she is not able to lose her right commitments, right, or over pressurize at the day of the examination, and that's very good.
So yeah, I want to pass on this question to you. Since not many of us will be able to take your phone number, why don't you answer this question right now?
I was in a very huge pressure. It's not like that I was very cool. I was in pressure, but I thought that this is the moment. This is the moment that we are waiting for since a year, a whole year, and our whole year's success, hard work would be judged on a 3 hours exam, and that is like you cannot argue with it. You have to deal with it. You cannot look away. So I did my best. Like every question, I was fully and 100% aware that whatever I'm solving it with full awareness and no mistakes at all. No room for any mistake, any loophole. But still, हो जाती है गलतियाँ. So you cannot, like, you have to be really on your toes, completely full attention. You cannot give that full 3 hours, but जितना हो सकता है उतना. I did my best, I tried my best, and it turned out to be my best performance.
So, since from you, the one thing I like the most about you is you don't give up on things. Like some of us will easily give up. I don't know this particular, so I'm gonna give up on this whole subject right now. So you are like, I'm gonna repeat this exam once again. I'm gonna get admission in this particular college I want. So that quality of yours, not giving up. How you constantly motivate yourself for not giving up on this particular thing?
Well, there were many examples as past students. There were many examples that people did repeat and people did perform very well in their second attempts, from thousands rank to single digit or 2-digit rank. So there were people, if they can do, then why can't we? They are also human beings, we are also human beings. So we can also do. Plus the environment that we get here, it is really motivating. It's very energizing, motivating, and it's very positive. So you just cannot give up here. Like, you see people here and there, sir, he works so hard. How can you not look at him and not get motivated?
Yeah, sir makes this place home for us.
Yes.
We can do anything we want. We eat lunch together, we do stuff, and we have nice bonding with sir. As a person, I want to mention this. I want to emphasize on this that he teaches all the subjects and he teaches them by himself. So you don't have to go to different professors to ask a doubt for that particular subject. If I have a doubt in any random subject, I'll ask him, and he will always be available. So that's how you are connecting to Vision Gate, and you never give up. Like, I can do this once again because sir is beside me right now. So, what are the tips? Right now we have exams next year. So, right now, what are the mistakes made by you in your first attempt or in the second attempt, which we will avoid in next exam?
I did delay a lot of things. कर लेंगे, time है, कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा, नहीं होता. उधर के उधर खत्म करो. Close the chapter. Like, if you have a doubt in a particular subject or a particular area of a particular subject, clear it then and there. Like, don't shy away that how will I ask, would my doubt be silly. मतलब हो जाता है वो, things come into our mind and you don't speak up, but then you should speak up and you should clear it out then and there. Yeah, so delaying was my mistake. I did delay a lot. And I did not obey sir completely. I did not complete my EQ.
Okay, so EQ is something you have to consider.
You have to.
And sir always says to complete it before this particular month. So you have to do it before.
You have to. Sir gives homework, do it. Don't delay it. I used to delay. मैं theory कर लूँगी तो मैं उसके बाद questions करती हूँ. I used to be like this. So you should avoid that.
So it will just happen.
You have to do it.
That's it.
पढ़ के करो, कैसे भी करो, करो.
So I wanna ask this: you went to Vadodara for a job. So there, now you are there, and now you're like, okay, now I wanna prepare for GATE. So I'll come back to Mumbai, leave my job. So how was it?
Because I used to, like, my parents live in Mumbai, and I went to Pune for my graduation BTech.
Yeah.
And there, through campus placement, I got a job in Vadodara, so I was there. So when I decided to do GATE, then I didn't know what to do actually. So I came back home, and I was thinking ki maybe I'll self-study and then crack GATE, but then many people advised me not to do so. So I started looking for classes in journalism.
Since you performed your best at the day of exam? This question is really for you. What did you do in last week, last remaining week before exam?
I revised a lot.
Okay, so
I was very,
convalescent.
I was very like panicking, and I was fearing that I like कि मैं कुछ भूल जाऊंगी अगर मुझे ये नहीं आया तो. So I was continuously revising whatever like till the last week also I did study some concepts. Don't do it.
Okay, so
Like,
you want
I delayed to the last day. Even on last day I was studying. Sir told not to study on the last day, to close your studies till noon. But I did study till night.
Okay, so what is your final judgment? You should do it or you shouldn't do it?
You should.
Okay, you should. It's very hectic.
Yes.
Go second.
Don't delay at all.
Okay, so even if you do, still don't study at the last moment. Just
No, if your portion is not complete, you have to study. But then don't make that happen. Like don't
don't be in
leave
that
your
place.
portion. Leave your portion till the last minute. Complete it so that you won't have to revise and you won't have to panic that okay I may forget this or like that.
So how many hours do you used to study per day?
Well, during the COVID situation, since we were at home, I could not study so much at my home, but still I did manage to give around 6-7 hours to study.
And as sir told you, used to be here.
Yeah.
So you used to be here the whole day. And you guys used to study.
Yes.
Okay, so that is more productive than staying home.
Yes. Completely. The environment here, sir is in front of you. Like when you're continuously seeing sir and when you're continuously here with your friends, so you like if you are studying and if I am doing time pass, then obviously I will have a bad thought, right? That you're studying and I am not studying. So
Yeah, definitely. So is there something you want to conclude with for our batch that if you were to make this in one attempt, getting Air 17, and you combine your 2 years experience in one, then what will be your ultimate plan to do it?
follow sirs.
Okay.
Follow sir, whatever he says, follow everything. Complete his notes, whatever is taught in the class, whatever he asks questions, do note them down very well and complete them. Then go to reference books if you have doubts. I don't think you will need reference books because he teaches so well. He teaches from them only. So, but still, if you have doubt, you can refer them. But first priority, complete whatever is taught in the class. EQ, complete EQ. And that's it. That's the only thing. Just follow him. Whatever he says, you're on right track then.
Okay, sir. So you had any other expectations from Sejal, or this was like very overwhelming for you?
So definitely I wish, right, whatever right decisions she will take, whatever premium institute to join, definitely she need to be focused, because those actually typically first semester is much more difficult than actual GATE preparations. And here you may have a teacher like me, right, who is constantly right guide you, motivate you, and to do all those things. But unfortunately, in any IITs or ISC, you will not find that kind of right environments. You have to be self-motivated. Regularly, I receive feedback from the students, right. The way I was motivated for the GATE preparation, somewhere I am missing actually that motivation in my first or second semester, and I have a huge amount of backlog. I am not able to clear it. So this is the reason, right, I am not able to get good right CGPA and all those kind of things. So first semester in IITs or ISC, very challenging, and for this everyone need to be alert, learn the actually programming typically, and also in addition the maths, typically the linear algebra, probability, right, predicate for the, if you are interested into the artificial intelligence and machine learning, very important.
Okay, so I'd like to thank Sejal for sharing her experience, because there are many people out there who are working and they always want to achieve their dreams, go for masters, and are not able to take that one step and go further and do it. which is a really great thing, and I really appreciate you doing that. So thank you so much, Sejal. Thank you so much, sir. We will be back with our topics and continue this session. Thank you.